Today, Duncan, we're going to be talking about one of your high feed, the TungForceFeed. We've actually run two different jobs, haven't we? So what have we seen today?
Yeah, well, today we worked on two different materials. We've had titanium and 316 stainless steel, and we've run it in two different methods of utilisation. First of all, talk about the range. The range starts down at 8mm with a single tooth through to 16mm diameter with up to 5 teeth, which is like that one there. Two different styles of insert, a high feed insert as you mentioned, and we also have an insert with a 2mm radius on it. We've also got two different grades. We've got our AH3225, which covers our steels, stainless steels, and some of the the cast irons. We also have, coming through from our turning range, our AH8015, which we use for exotic materials, for the titaniums of this world, Inconels, etc., and now into hardened materials.
That's quite rare, isn't it, having a turning grade moved across the milling?
Yeah, it's been such a successful grade on turning, and literally people are really struggling to get anywhere near it, that it's been brought across into the milling. It's an extremely tough, resilient grade. And
one of the things I note about this tool, it's very, very close pitch. Quite often when we talk, sub 16mm end mills, there's only two inserts in there, meaning, okay, it's a high feed tool, but you can't get the productivity because you can't get the feed per tooth. But here, this is quite different.
Yeah, it's to do with how they've put the pockets into the tool. They've managed to actually give us superb swarf clearance without affecting the core structure of the tool. So, in other words, the tools don't deflect like some of the high feed tools do. And just swarf evacuation, we've got through coolant. It's a superb little tool.
And you don't have to go to the expense of a solid carbide high feed tool, which can be quite expensive.
Yeah, exactly. You've got an index where you've got at least two edges on the insert. It's very economical edge.
And what type of feed rates can we expect to see in depth of cut using an insert of this size?
Well, insert of this size, you wouldn't expect to be doing 1.5mm depth of cut. So we restrict it to 0.5mm. Depending on the material, we're talking about a feed rates between 0.2 per tooth through to 0.6 per tooth.
And again, it's a big range at Tungaloy. You've got grades for all materials, chip breakers for different applications.
Yeah, that's right. Again, it's a step in the right direction to get away from the solid carbide to offer indexable. We've thought about even things down to the size of the screw in the insert. It doesn't sound a lot. Most of the competition use a 1.8 screw on this size of insert. We use a 2mm screw. When you think about it, percentage-wise, it's quite a difference.
In 2019, with the release of the Introductions catalogue, Tungaloy continued to strengthen its extensive portfolio, developing groundbreaking coatings, geometries and products. Introducing TungForceFeed, a small diameter high feed milling system designed to perform at higher machining conditions. Just one of the 8 new products featured in the Tungaloy 2019 Introductions catalogue. Visit our new website, tungaloyuk.co.uk, and download your free copy, or why not request a printed copy and receive our complimentary machine operators pack. Don't delay, get your copy today.